did I call you now?
I was sleeping. You are calling me.
Oh, you're sleeping.
Yay.
You weren't sleeping. I could see you were watching the live. You're even
You
commenting.
know.
No, Roberto comment. Or a shasha.
No. No, man. I was sleeping. Gimana?
Yeah, well, I think it's Hey,
Bintang, makawala le buskeminyana. Next thing ke montsha ko wena ko.
yo, it's wild, eh? And it's messing up with my system because I can't sleep. And then, like, now I'm so tired. And it's still early out here. It's still like 3 p.m. Imagine.
Ay, ka
Eh,
magitene, Brian. Ka magitene.
10.
Guys, 2.5 people. I have social anxiety. You remember that?
I'll bet it. I think I'm worse. I have social anxiety. I'm afraid of people. I get to like a live evening. I think 2 years ago, maybe. I don't know. I don't go
But
live. I'm afraid of people. Let's have.
no, man, it's good. Like, it's really good to have you back. Shout out to you, though.
No, Galewo. Go. It was a magic live. I don't know how to go live. Yo.
You?
No,
I
nigga,
was,
so go la low choose a field. And
I was even shocked. I'm like, Evan, are
yo,
you live?
I was struggling to choose a filter. I haven't been live in so long. What? That's
And it makes
crazy.
sense.
So wild,
So,
eh?
what from 600 to 2.4? Guys, why is so?
Yo.
What's going on? Is it something you guys are not telling us? Or telling me?
Hi, sanibonani guys. Welcome to Spain News. Yabona ke makhulunywa ngomuntu okwazi ukukhetha intombi. Yeah, we are talking about uDJ Melzi. This guy, he knows exactly what he wants. He wants them young, he wants them fresh, and he wants a little bit of meat here and there, you know? Yeah, so rumor has it, Uguti. Letabo from Skim Sam and DJ Melzi might be dating us guys, but it's just a rumor, okay? So we don't know what really happened between Ye and another bomb and how they ended up. What did they fix or they just moved on? If they decided to move on, it's good for them, guys, because some people do break up, hey? So we just hope Guti he doesn't break this poor girl's heart. Because siyamazi udume ngani, uGuy, siyamazi udume ngani. But anyway, guys, please don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. I love you guys. Bye.